Okay, so we're going to do this video live. No, we're not making that. We're making that. Put these little two tabs next to each other somewhere. Right there and right there. We'll put them at the end. Easy to find. I want to make this. When I approach this, I see, well, if I just go with default isometric, it's going that way. So I'm going to make two sketches. One is going to be the profile of the thing, and the other is going to be the path of the thing. And then I'm going to use a sweep. The profile is going to be here, and the path is going to be here. Let's make the path first. So let's do a sketch here, N to go normal, P to get rid of the thing, and let's look at the path. I'll pick the center of the path. Is that what they have it dimension to? Oh, I should go. I should take it from there. I can zoom in better. Yeah, that's the one that I want. Yes, they have it. They have the dimensions to the center of the path there. So I want to go. I'm going to need a circle that has a radius of 12.5. So let's make that circle. If the radius is 12.5, then the diameter is 12.5 divided by 2. Just so you know, you do not have to do math separately. It will do math for you right there. Okay, so if the radius is 12.5, the diameter is 6.25. Sure, we're all good at math here. We could have probably done that in our head, but So from the bottom of the circle, I want to go 68 millimeters that way. So from the bottom of the circle, well, I guess I'll just put tangent. That's tangent. Is that looking right so far? It's not looking right so far. Looks like that is way too small. 68, radius of 12.5. Oh, my math is stupid. Not divided by 2. Times 2, right? Now that looks better. It only does math correctly if you enter in the right thing. Okay, so now I am here. But it doesn't happen at the top of there. But let's look at what I do have measurements to. I have another circle of radius 5, so diameter 10, twice as much. Don't be stupid next time, Richard. And the location of that circle is 24.5 from the center of that circle. So we'll make a construction line. And I think there's a better way to do that. I remember an inventor. 24.5. You know what? Let's just, so other stuff is moving around. Let's just make the origin of the part coincident to the center of that circle. That way everything else will move and the circle will stay the same. So at 24.5, I'm going to have a, oh, I'm sorry. It is not aligned directly with it. it is slightly below it. How much? Well, this one's aligned. This is 5.6 above that, and this is 10.5 above that. Okay, so it's aligned. So it's 24.5 that way, but then 10.5 from the bottom of that. Okay, that sounds fun. So then another construction line from here down to there. Let's make sure that they're coincident. Are you coincident? You better be coincident because I need you to be coincident. I'll measure it later. All right, so they look coincident now. And that should be 10.5. Oh, no, that's doing that. I need this to be deleted, and then I can just make it I can just make that 24.5, and now make that 10.5. Make that 10.5. Thank you. Oh, gross. You know what? Let's fix that by making that a horizontal line. You stay horizontal. Oh, now it doesn't like that I did that. Let's just get rid of the construction. Oh, no. Get rid of just the Oh, because it's not a point. You know what? Scratch doing it all that this way. Let's just make it a point. Let's just make it a point. And then we'll use measurements, and that's how I should have done it in the beginning. I thought I'd be fancy with construction lines. All right, there's my point, and that point is that point. And that point has a circle that has a radius of 10. Remember, what I'm trying to do is make this path. Radius of 10. I'm sorry, a diameter of 10. Okay. Make the next one, which is 36.3 over and 5.6 up. 36.3 over and 5.6 up. Point. .3 over and 5.6 up. Okay, and that has another radius of 10. Oh, good, they're all little circles with radius of 10. Control C, Control V. Coincident. Good. And then another point. And that one is 10.5 and 53.2.
In a minute, the fire alarm will sound. Please follow fire drill protocol. You're to exit the building in an orderly fashion. Make sure you're physically distanced. Teachers, when the check-in goes out, please check in and make sure you take attendance. Thank you.
So I have a fire drill, so I'm going to pause this video and doing this. Did I look right?
have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. There has been a fire
yes, those do
reported
look
in the
closer
building.
than that.
Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not use the elevators. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building.
All right, so I'm going to pause. Well, that was a long pause, but let's get back to finishing this pin, because otherwise it's going to drive me insane. Okay, so I have all the circles. That goes that far from there. Do I do that now? I'll do that later. So I want to go and make a line here to there. No, not to the center of the circle, to the other circle. And I want it to be tangent to both. So that line is tangent to that circle, and that is also tangent to that circle. Where's the trim on this one? Trim. Trim this and trim this. Okay, and we want another line that is going tangent to there to there. This might be right. This I might need to see. I think this is right. Again, tangent, 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 tangent. And another line, tangent, 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 tangent. Tangent, 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 tangent. Tangent, 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 tangent. Time to trim the tangents because they're way too long. Oh, that one needs to be extended, actually. Extend to there. Extend to there. All right, now let's trim this, and this, and this, and oh, we can't do that one yet. We need that. But what angle is that at? What angle is it? Well, I know it's 63.5 that way. 63.5.
Unlike a pier, where you just had two piers, one moved forward, one moved backward, one moved
Hello. Let me pause my recording of this 3D modeling. Where is it? That's right. Unpause it. All right. I think this is the third time we're going to try to finish this, but I think we'll get there because once you're done the profile, it's pretty easy. Where were we? We were saying, where does this end and what angle is it at? Well, we know it's tangent. We know it's tangent, and we know it goes 63.5 that way. So let's do a point, and let's measure that point to be. Goodbye, Mr. Rubinsky. Have a good weekend. 63.5 from there. And then we know that it needs to be on a line that is tangent to this line. Okay, so let's trim that. Let's make This coincident to that line. Looks about right. It's close enough. Remember, it's okay if the stuff's not perfect. Let's trim that. Let's trim that. Let's see, does this look like this? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Good job, Richard. Now, the lines are still blue, so remember that means they're not fully constrained. What is making it not fully constrained? Huh. Aha, maybe because when we got rid of the circles in the trimming, the referenced no, that's not it. Why is this line segment not fully constrained? Can I drag it? I can, oh, they're not connected. That's bad. So that needs to be connected by trimming that. Okay. See how sometimes moving stuff around tells you what's what? Why is this not constrained? Well, if I say that this line needs to be horizontal, that was it. That constrains all that. And then this, I have the distance from there and I have there. Is there another measurement I can use with that one? No. Radius, the height of that. That is a reference to that. No, no, no. Huh. Well, well, well. Well, we're going to add something in there so it's fully constrained. I don't know what I just did because I thought I was in dimension, but I was not in dimension. I think I was in trim. Yes, I was. Now it's good. Finish the sketch. Okay. Now we need to do another sketch that is oh, we need to probably make another plane. Good. So what I did is I said I need another plane. I need it here. Oh no, I don't need it there. I need it down there, don't I? Let's see another picture. Yeah, because that's on an angle. This is the flat one. So let's redo that. Oh, actually, we can just change which point it is. It needs to be this point, but it needs to be parallel to this plane. Okay, so that's a plane, and then I'll make a sketch on that plane, normal to that plane, get rid of the things. And back to the picture. And we know that, oops. Oh, there it is. It's 9. Not there. Was over there. So that point to that point is 9. Well, we'll fix that. But the diameter of the circle there is 4. Okay, so first let's go back in to this sketch. Let's go normal to that sketch. I thought it was 9.5, but we see that it's 9. Didn't change it too much. Finish the sketch. Go to this sketch. Hit N for normal to that sketch. Make a circle, and it's a diameter of 4. I don't know why it doesn't let you do it. Whatever. Okay, so that should be good. And let's look at it from the corner. Good. And then we want to do a sweep. No, it's a solid. And then the path. But it does it in sections, and I don't like how it looks in sections. Thought making them tangent would make it so it's not in sections like that. Sweep.